Hi, it is Josephine, and today we're going to give a short video on how I organize all of my information for my newsletter swaps. So let's go to desktop. And this is my newsletter swap worksheet. So basically, I have put up a little grid in Excel and it has my author name, the book title, the link. Now this is the Amazon link so that it's easy to grab the information that I need. So I usually grab everything from Amazon. I will right click on the picture of the book and I'll save that picture. I will get my URL links from there, and I'll also get anything that I need from the blurb that they have put on the Amazon page. And I can share that all in my newsletter, all that information right there, and it's all copy and paste. And then I have Facebook group, and I usually have about 3 or 4 different Facebook groups that I belong to. Plus I have authors that personally PM or DM me, whichever you'd like to call it, PM, DM. And that way I can track where to find them later on. The reciprocating date is when they are going to put me in their newsletter, so I can kind of keep track of that. And I'll put their newsletter link in as well so that I can check it and look at it again if I want to. And the reason I do that is that, first of all, really appreciate accountability to be able to see when people have put my stuff in their newsletter, and I like to be accountable, so I give out my newsletter link. And also it's fun to see other people's newsletters because then you can kind of look and see where you can improve on your newsletter. So it's basic research, which is really great. My newsletter link, I always put my newsletter link in as well. So far I don't actually have anybody lined up for the 8th. This is May 8th, so I put the month first and then I put the date, and I just run them along the bottom tabs. So you can see for next week, I've got a whole bunch going in. I usually do a maximum of 4. I prefer to do 3. This week, I've only had 2 in, which is fine. And then so I put my own book in the 3rd spot, which is great. And then my link is right here, so I can copy and paste, control copy. And then I can put it and give it to these lovely people who decide to swap with me, which is great. And that way, and you can see I haven't actually put in the information over there. I should. I just haven't yet. But that way I can keep on top of things and everything is nice and neat and organized. So that is how I take care of all of my newsletter links and keeping them organized and keeping them all in one spot so I know exactly where to find my information and to get things done, which is great and easy. I'm not going to actually put this worksheet up because I think it's a very basic worksheet, but later on when I bundle a bunch of my worksheets together, if you wanted to purchase them, I would throw this one in as a bonus. That way you just don't have to do the work either. Unless, of course, a lot of people request it, in which case, if you request it, I might just put it up for sale. It'd probably be like a $1 item or less. Honestly, it's easy, simple. You can do it. I know you can. So that is just a quick and easy way to keep your newsletters organized for your swaps. Swaps are a great way to market your books. They're free. Hello, all you're doing is reciprocating the gesture, which is awesome. And they're really easy to do, and it's great to have something like newsletter swaps in your newsletters because your readers really like them. So anyway, that is my tip of the day. Take care. Subscribe, like, comment for the video, ask questions, and we will try to answer them. Bye-bye.